Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change user interface color in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator and go to the edit menu. Click on the preference to general. Here we see many options. We just select user interface. You can choose from dark, medium dark, medium light and light. I chose black. Then OK. Now we change user interface color. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our graphic solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.